Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily enable HVCI, also known as memory integrity, to fix Valorant issues on your Windows PC. Let's begin. First, go to your search bar over here and type run. Hit enter. Then the little run box will pop up. Now type msinfo32, msinfo32, and then click OK. This window will show up on your screen. You can scroll all the way down until you see Hyper-V virtualization enabled in firmware. If it says yes, you are good. But if it says no, don't worry. Here's what we need to do. Okay? Minimize this, go back to your Windows search bar, and then type Windows Security, or simply type Security. Left click on it. Then go to device security. And over here, you will see core isolation. Click on this core isolation details. And over here, I want you to look carefully, memory integrity. If it's turned off, turn it on, all right? Now, if it's on, by turning it off, then back on again. So just simply reset everything. This refreshes the setting and helps Valorant detect HVCI properly. Once you have done that, you can now simply restart your Windows PC or laptop, and everything should now be fixed. That's it. Valorant should now run smoothly again on your computer. I hope you found this video very helpful.